Okay, so here's a weird one, nice quick one. So we've got a synchronous part, and when we go to Tools and Flatten, it's not liking something, so it's coming up with a blank body. This is saying that there's something wrong with this file. I've looked through, I've inspected it, everything looks like it could be okay. I've tried to turn these off, we've got a round, doesn't matter, doesn't mean we get a thickness problem. But because we're synchronous, one thing that's quite cool is that we can just get Solid Edge to just forget about the history and just turn this into a tab and a few flanges. So what we can do on here is, if we go to ordered modeling, so if we haven't got that on there, we can go transition to ordered. We can go tools, and then we can choose switch to. What we're looking for is thin part to synchronous sheet metal, but that's only available in the part environment. So if we go back to the tools tab up here, we've then got this command, and we can go thin part sheet metal, click on the base flange. That's then going to go and just turn that into a tab and some simple flanges. Great. Let's go back to our home tab. We're still in synchronous. Go back to tools and flatten. It's now coming up with our sheet metal tools. So we can choose our sheet metal tools, and we've fixed the problem. Because it's synchronous, we don't need to worry about what any of these are like, because we edit them directly on the screen. We don't actually edit the features ourselves. If there are any holes, we can obviously go into our recognise holes command if we need to. We can recognise chamfers, we can build up some history, but we don't necessarily need the history on there, because we can just click on the faces. We can use dimensional controls to make any changes that we need. Hopefully that's useful. Quite often people have saved out a step and brought it back in, but we can just do it that way. Hopefully that's a nice little quick tool that will help people that do synchronous sheet metal.